Okay, so we're out of engine parts. We're waiting for valve seals so we can put this thing back together. So I figured it's Sunday. I gotta go to Nashville we're gonna be there at 6:30 for an MRI, so that'll be a good time, but that's rapidly approaching. Now, I bought this rear seat out of, I want to say it was an '09 Super Duty to put in this truck. Seemed like a good idea at the time. I mean, I would have a cup holder and everything. Now, I got this thing jammed in here. I originally was trying to put it in here with seat rails, right here, because I wanted to be able to adjust it forward, backward, whatever, right? I wanted adjustability. And then, I was using this plate. I slotted so I'd have some room and whatnot. There ain't no fucking room, bud, okay? So, I couldn't flip, like, this seat up because it would hit the steering wheel. I assume it doesn't now because it's that much lower, but I don't really know. I jammed the gas tank in there, so I know how far back I could go. This is it. Gears 2 and 4, that bitch is resting on the seat, man. I don't know if it's going to be an issue. The engine isn't back in here yet, so ideally that's going to be centered in the doghouse cover. But I don't know that because I don't remember. So it's tight, man. My belly's against the steering wheel. No adjustment needed. I mean, I would need more room backwards, if anything. And then you got the mounts, right? Super Duty. It mounted at an angle into the floor. So we had a mount here. Well, let me get a flashlight. It's on the other side. We'll go over there. At least that looks nice, until I dropped it on the floor. So we got a mount here, and then that thing, right? Now this is sitting over the edge of this lip, or the step. I don't know if that side is or not. It's just in there, okay? It's not mounted, nothing. It's just sitting there. Wondering if I should go a different route. So this side is about in line here. This is overhanging. But we got mounts like that, right? Which we could use. And then figure something out for this. But is this thing going to be too tight? Should I give up on this and use something else? Like I said, buckets or something. I mean, that thing's too far gone. No way it's going to get done in time, even if I would have it redone. So, this is where we're at, man. I don't know if I should weld something together to mount this thing in here, or give up on the seat and try to find something else before June. It's the end of March right now, so I don't have a whole lot of time here. So what do you guys think? Should I just full steam ahead with this fucking thing? Slam it into the floor. See, this it's over this way too much anyway. And just run this thing? Or should I try to find something else? Let me know. Comments down there. We're running out of time here. I still got to put glass in this thing and whatnot, and wipers, and make the lights work. So hit me up.